Hi beauties, welcome back. I am back with another skincare product which name is the ELF Youth Boosting Advanced Night Retinoid Serum. It is a powerful anti-aging serum that reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time for rejuvenated, smooth, and radiant skin. Regular use of this serum reveals smooth, renewed, and radiant skin. This is a fragrance-free formula. This serum potent with 1% gram-active retinoid, infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid. Retinoid Gram-Active Retinoid 0.06% retinol and antioxidants helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid helps moisturize skin for a plump complexion. The formulation of the serum is lightweight, silky serum and perfect for oily, dry, normal, and mature skin. This is Game Changer Serum. The most powerful retinoid you can get without a script reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time to reveal rejuvenated, smooth, and radiant skin. The potent formula is also supercharged with hydrating hyaluronic acid and antioxidants to help brighten skin tone. The color of the serum is carrot orange. That caught me by surprise. The consistency is thin but not sticky or greasy. It absorbs like butter into your skin and doesn't leave behind a residue or stain the skin. It dried down pretty quickly too, and I didn't have any issues with it staining my bedding, etc. All you need is a pea-sized drop and dab half on one cheek and half on the other. A little goes a long way, although if you're planning on using this on your neck also, as recommended, it might not last you that long. I have sensitive skin. This serum provided a cool and soothing sensation on my fatigued complexion. To my relief, it didn't trigger any breakouts. Regrettably, it didn't have a substantial impact on my redness or dryness issues. Nevertheless, after diligently using it nightly for a few weeks, I did observe a noticeable improvement in the fine lines and crow's feet on my face. While it didn't result in a dramatic wow, I look a decade younger moment, I was pleasantly surprised by the subtle enhancements. For optimal results with the serum, I recommend following it up with a moisturizer or night cream to lock in the benefits. As someone particular about the feel of products on my hands, I appreciate that it leaves them only slightly moist and not unpleasantly sticky. The serum is reasonably priced, and I haven't encountered any drawbacks so far. As a result, I'm inclined to repurchase it and would highly recommend it to others. I'm enthusiastic about continuing to use this product. Thanks for watching.